Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must start by addressing ethics and law, get explicit permission, and understand local privacy rules. Once done, focus on foundations, learn how radio waves propagate and reflect in indoor spaces, and why multipath creates complex signatures. Make sure to use controlled, non-invasive test environments and clear documentation for oversight. You will set learning goals, literature review, simulation tools, and collaboration with ethical review bodies. This protects people and frames the technical work you will study next. You now explore the core concept. Moving objects and human bodies change reflected RF energy, producing measurable patterns rather than photographic images. Once done with theory, rely on simulations and publicly shared, anonymized datasets to develop models. Do not experiment on unaware people. Make sure to study feature extraction and validation concepts, how classifiers distinguish motion signatures, and why generalization matters. You should aim for transparent, reproducible experiments and avoid any operational guidance. You finish by validating research responsibly. Run tests only with informed consent and detailed safety protocols, and document every step for review. Once complete, evaluate performance rigorously. Measure false positives, bias across populations, and the limits of spatial resolution. Quantify uncertainty so conclusions stay humble. Make sure to have remediation plans. If results are ambiguous or potentially invasive, pause further work. Consult an ethics board and rerun controlled, transparent tests. This approach protects people and preserves scientific integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.